Welcome to the pranayama practice or breathing exercise. First of all, let's check your sitting posture. It's very important for pranayama to be in a comfortable position. So forget everything about lotus position and everything complicated. Find something where you can relax. It might be even on a chair, sitting on the chair. Or if you are sitting on the floor, then make sure you use some kind of a pillow, and it's better if it's harder and not a soft one. So for example, I'm gonna use this bolster. If you see that you are more like this, for example, let me show you this from the side. So you are sitting like this because your hips are really tight, and that will be really bad for your lower back. You will not be able to sit comfortably. Use maybe 2 or even 3 pillows. And when you found that position, your knees should be maximum at hip level. So if your knees are higher than your hips, then you need something higher or using a chair. Then you can be in a simple cross-legged position or putting one foot in front of the other, which is the one I prefer. Take a few moments to adjust your position. Arms can be completely relaxed. There are different arm positions as well, but let's stick with this most basic one. Hands on the thighs, relaxing, or you can put your right hand in your left hand. Feel free to close your eyes really softly. Keep your back and neck straight without adding any unnecessary tension in your muscles. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Recognize the connection of your pelvis with the ground or the support. Release the weight of your pelvis downwards. Relax your facial muscles, your eyes, your lips and your throat. Your neck and shoulders, your arms, your chest and your belly, your hips and your legs. Allow your breath to flow freely. Breathe naturally. Try to breathe only through your nose. Bring your full attention to your breathing. Put aside all other issues in your head, just for the meantime. Observe the air as it flows into your body through your nostrils, through the airways, into your lungs. Notice the little movements in your body as your chest and belly expands. And as you release the air, imagine that this is the very first breath that you take. Be as curious as a newborn baby. All that exists in this moment is your breathing. Observe the 4 phases of your breathing. Inhalation, then a little pause, transition between inhalation and exhalation. Exhalation, and again a little pause or transition before the new inhalation. It's a continuous cycle. Observe the start of the inhalation, the length of it, and the end of it. Then notice the start of the exhalation. How does it feel? The length of the exhalation. How does it feel at the end of it? Make sure to keep your back straight, your spine gently lengthening to allow for proper flow of the breath. And if you need to adjust your posture anytime, feel free to adjust. Now we will practice equal breathing, and the inhalation has the same length as exhalation. Count for 5 as you inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again count for 5 as you exhale, making them equal length. There's no need to force anything or hold your breath. It can be either 4 countings if it's better for you. Just make them equal. Watch out for not creating any unnecessary tension in your body. Be as relaxed as possible. Just observe this beautiful process, which is a gift. It's a gift that we receive when we are born. And continue for as long as you feel that your attention is still present, until you feel comfortable. Never allow to get tired by doing breathing exercises. And when you finished, go back to normal breathing, observe the transition. Observe your physical and mental state. And open your eyes.